everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Praise, and in this video I just want to show you guys what my hair is looking like currently, since you've not seen it for over a year. So here is my hair. I have washed it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to moisturize. I have not trimmed my hair for over a year, and I was just curious. I wanted to know how much my hair actually grows in a whole year, and also to find out if I'm trimming my hair too much for the length that I do gain. So I did a length check a year ago, so I am going to be stretching out my hair in another video, and then we can do a side-by-side length check. What I like about African threading is that it just makes my hair much more softer and a lot more easier to work with. So therefore, I'm able to put my hair into different hairstyles without me having to like struggle going through my hair and everything else. Yeah, and it stretches it out, make it look bigger. I wish you guys can feel my hair right now. It feels so soft, and I don't have much product in my hair. It's pretty much hardly anything on my fingers. I don't put a lot of product in my hair these days. I really don't. Yeah, I need a trim as well, guys. I've not trimmed my hair for over a year, so I definitely do need a trim. So right now I'm gonna put my hair in a style. Maybe, you know, see, I could do so many hairstyles with this. I can like do half like that, you know, like pin this side up. Alright, so this is one of the hairstyles I can do, which is to just put the hairband like in front and just push the hair back. Alright, yeah, you might mess your hair whilst trying to do that. Yeah. Alright guys, so here is the final look with the hairband. Guys, so this is the next style you could create, which is our usual Afro puff, and then you can still use your hairband there on your edges, I guess. Alright, what do you think? Or you could do without it. Let's see what it looks like without it. So there is our usual Afro puff without the hairband. Alright, so this stretching out my hair with the African threading just gives me this big fro, okay? And I'm guaranteed by the end of the day, I'm still gonna have it looking big. It will shrink a little bit, but it will still be big. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.